Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a cross-handed arm jive. Now obviously knowing how to do a standard arm jive would be useful, link in the description below in case you don't know that already, and assuming you know that, then you're going to be ready to do one of these. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Don't need to do the hand change at the end, so you could end in the right hand naturally. I move to the left purely because it's a chance for me to face the camera while we're doing this. So this is a perfect move to do after an accordion. It gives you a chance of getting out of a cross-handed grip, so it does the same kind of job as a hallelujah. So we need a return, and we need a returning accordion. So we go semicircle and back. We're going to offer the left to get ourselves into that situation. As we come in, lady picks up the hand, we take the left over the lady's head, right over the lady's head, we come round, hands together, so we're cross-handed, right's over left, so that doesn't matter, and we're facing each other. As we come in, we're going to push with the right, pull with the left. So we twist towards what is the man's left, and then we do the opposite to twist to the right. We do exactly the same thing a couple of times. How many times is up to you, but on the final one to the right, we bring the right hand up high. We're actually prepping the lady for the turn. We pull with the left. As the lady comes round, we take the right over the lady's head, let go with the left. Lady comes all the way around. Change hand or not at that point, and then it's just return to finish off. So let's think about that again with some numbers. Right to right, semicircle, offering the hand. 1, returning. 2, stepping back cross-handed. 3, then our cross-handed arm jive. We pull with the left, push with the right. 4, then again 5 and 6, prep 7, turning 8, back 1, returning 2 and back 3. So let's do it. Here we go. Starting off right to right. 5, 6, cross-handed arm jive. We go offer, round, back, pull left, pull right, pull left, prep right, turn, switch it or not, return, and you're done. So that is it. Hope you find that useful and fun out on the dance floor. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. It helps promote the channel, so if you're getting value out of what we do, I really appreciate everybody who does that, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.